Would you believe me if I told you that you could build a digital product worth $500 or more and have AI make this entire product for you in less than 60 seconds? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you my exact process for building and selling digital products using simple AI tools. And this is the exact strategy that I personally use to generate over $100,000 every single month in pure profits. And it all started with one simple $500 product that I made back in university that eventually turned into over $30 million in total sales in the last 5 years. So let me show you exactly how this works. Now, before I show you the build, let me show you why this works. You see, when I was 21, I was a broke UCLA college student. I was folding burritos for minimum wage at a fast food restaurant. I was drowning in student loans, and I was splitting a 1-bedroom apartment with 4 guys because that's all I could afford. And I had this one realization that changed everything. I was talking to one of my university professors after class one day. He casually told me that at 40 years old, he had just finished paying off his student loans. He was still living in a 1-bedroom apartment, the same size as his dorm room 20 years ago. And I'm sitting there thinking, this is the guy who's teaching us how to build a career. This is the guy who's being my role model. So I did something completely different. I took something that I'd actually gotten pretty decently good at in college, which is waking up early, productivity, time management. I got decent grades in school. I studied pretty efficiently, and I turned that knowledge that I had into a simple digital product, a $500 PDF course and a few video modules. Nothing fancy, just real strategies that worked for me, packaged into something that other university students wanted. And this is what happened. In my first year, 1,000 people bought that product. It doesn't take a genius to realize that 1,000 purchasers times $500, that's $500,000 at 21 years old from my dorm room. Now, here's exactly why I'm telling you this. That product was not complicated. It was not some massive production. I just packaged what I knew into a simple digital format and I sold it online. And the difference today, AI can do in 5 minutes what took me 6 months to build. Let me show you exactly how this works. The first step is figuring out what to build. You see, most people, they overthink this. They think they need to be some type of expert or have a PhD and go to school for years in something. You don't need that. I was 21 and in university when I made my first digital product. Here's the simple framework. Every profitable digital product falls into one of these 3 categories: health, wealth, or relationships. You see, people always want to be healthier. They always want to make more money, and they want better relationships with the significant others, with their children, maybe they're dating. These things never go away. That's why they're called evergreen, because they always stay green. They never go away. So let's pick one and I'll build it live in front of you. Let's go with fitness. And here's why. I'm gonna go onto Instagram and I'm literally just gonna type in right now, fitness tips. Look at this. You see this video right here? Someone just sharing a simple workout routine, 1 million views. This one right here, quick nutrition tip, over 500,000 views. This account right here is posting basic fitness advice and has hundreds of thousands of followers, and people are obsessed with fitness content right now. And here's what most people don't realize. Look at these accounts. Most of them aren't even personal trainers. They're not certified nutritionists. They're regular, ordinary people that just share what worked for them. Exactly like what I did in university. You just need to solve one specific problem for one specific person. That's it. So let's get specific. Instead of fitness, which is way too broad, let's narrow it down. Remember, the riches are in the niches. But what about a guide for busy people who work 9-to-5 jobs and want to get in shape, but they don't have hours to spend in the gym? Because seriously, that's a problem. Millions of people have it. They don't have time for the gym, or they're so tired after working on their feet all day inside of an office that they don't want to go to the gym. So AI can help us build a solution in less than a few minutes. Now, this is the part that's going to blow your mind. I'm going to open up Alan AI. This is the tool that my students and I use to build all of our digital products. Now, I'm going to go to this AI product builder section right here. You see it? Now, when I open this up, I'm going to type in exactly what we want. I'm going to type right here, create a PDF ebook that teaches busy 9-to-5 professionals how to get 6-pack abs, training only 3 times per week for only 30 minutes per workout. Include a section for the workout plan. Let's include a section for diet and nutrition, and also a section for rest and recovery. That's it. One prompt. Now, I'm going to enter, and I want you to watch what happens in the next few seconds. Look at this. It's building the entire product right now in real time. And there's an introduction. Now it's writing off a workout program, exercises, sets, reps, everything. Now a nutrition section, rest and recovery protocols, is even adding implementation timeline and a checklist at the end. Are you seeing this? This is not some generic filler. Look at the quality of this product. Specified workout routines, actual rep ranges, real dietary strategies that people can implement immediately. This would have taken me weeks to write manually. AI just did this while we were sitting here. And I've been doing this for years and it still catches me off guard every time. The fact that anyone watching this right now can do what I just did with zero expertise, zero writing ability, that's a completely different world than the one that I first started in. And we just created this in what? Less than 4 minutes? A complete value-packed PDF ebook done. Now here's the thing. This PDF by itself, you could sell for 27, 47 bucks as a standalone ebook. And there's nothing wrong with that. People sell simple digital products at those price points every single day. But this is where things get really interesting. I know you're thinking, Richard, you said $500 products. This product is only $47 as an ebook. Stay with me, because this is the part that most people never figure out. This PDF that you just watched me build, that's not the $500 product. That's the front door, the entry product. This is what smart creators do. They use a low ticket ebook as the entry point into a higher ticket offer. Someone finds your content, buys your $47 ebook, gets a lot of value from it. And then on the thank you page right after the purchase, there's a link to book a call or enroll into a $500 program. One ebook becomes the gateway to an entire business. And I'm not theorizing here. This is literally how I started. My first $500 product was a productivity course for students, simple digital content, stuff that I figured out for myself. 500,000 a single year. That was eventually the system that has done over 30 million. You see, the ebook is what gets them in the front door. The backend offer, meaning the products that are on the back end, those are the ones where the real business is built. AI just made the first step take 10 minutes instead of months. Okay, so now you've got the products. The next question everyone asks is, well, how the heck do I actually sell this thing? This is where most people get stuck. They think that they need to build a website. They think that they need to set up payment processing that's way too complicated. They think they need to figure out emails, can't handle customer support, all this technical stuff that stops people before they even start. This is why I helped build Allen.store. I'm going to upload this ebook right here. You see the platform, it's going to ask for basic product information, title, price, description. Now look what it creates automatically. A professional sales page, a checkout system, email delivery so the customer gets the product instantly. Everything is handled. You don't need to hire a developer. You don't need to know a single line of code. Your entire storefront is done for you. And here's the part that makes this a real business. You can set your commission structure. So if other people want to promote your product, they can earn 50, 80, even 100% commissions, which means that other creators are now selling your product for you. And I know this sounds crazy. Why would you give away 100% commission? Now here's why. Most businesses spend thousands of dollars on ads just to get a single customer, and they usually lose money on that first sale. But if you list your product on a platform like Allen.store and let other people promote it, even if you gave them 100% commission, you never lost $1 to get that customer. And now the customer is in your world, they're on your email list, they see your backend offers, and that's where the real profit is. So the person promoting your product gets to make money, they win, you get customers for free, and you get to upsell customers for profit, you win as well. And the customer gets an incredible product. That's how you go from one product to a real income stream without running a single ad. Now, you built the product, you listed it. Now the question is, well, how do you get people to actually find out about this product and then buy it? This is where most people think that they have to have some massive following or a huge ad budget. You don't need either. Here's what you need: short form content on Instagram. And Allen AI makes this unfairly easy. I'm gonna go back to Instagram. Remember, fitness content is exploding right now. So I'm gonna go and find who's already making great fitness content and then just see what's working. Here's an account with hundreds of thousands of followers posting fitness tips. I'm gonna copy the profile URL and paste it into Allen AI's Instagram search feature. Now watch this. Allen AI analyzes their entire content and sorts their content by performance. Their most viral videos are right here at the top. I can see exactly what's getting views now. Now here's the move. I click write my own version. In about 10 seconds or less, AI just wrote me a complete video script modeled on what's already proven to work. In my own voice, all I have to do is grab my phone, film the script, add some text overlay, and post. Instagram's algorithm pushes short form content to thousands of people for free. No ad spend, no huge following. You're not copying anyone. You're just simply modeling after what's working. And Allen AI does the heavy lifting. And by the way, you don't even have to show your face if you don't want to. You can do stock footage. You can use AI avatars, simple carousel posts. Some of my successful students run completely faceless accounts. Now let me break down the math because I really need you to see this. Let's say your ebook sells for 47 bucks. You get 3 sales a day. That's $4,200 a month from one product you built in 10 minutes. Now you add a $500 backend offer. Even if only 2 people a month take you up on that, that's another $1,000. Now you're at $5,200 a month. Now here's what most people miss. That content that you post, it keeps working. The ebook keeps selling. Allen.store handles all the delivery and payments automatically. You build it once and it compounds. And while you're sleeping, while you're at your day job, while you're living, running your life, the system is running. This is the exact model that I used to build my business over 100,000 a month. And my students are doing this across every niche you can imagine. Will was driving Uber Eats. He had a digital product not that different from the one I just showed you, and he made $8,000 in his first 14 days. Lucas was a 19-year-old college kid who made $31,000 in 40 days selling a video game digital product. Let me say that again. Teaching young kids how to play a video game better. These are not tech geniuses. They just simply followed a system. Fitness, productivity, relationships, gaming. It doesn't matter what the niche is. The product works the same every single time. And here's what makes this scaling opportunity so powerful. You can create a product like this in minutes, which means you can test multiple different niches, build multiple products, see what sticks. And here's the part I really want you to hear. You cannot lose with this model. If a product sells, fantastic, you're making money. But if it doesn't sell right away, you're not done. You don't lose anything. You keep posting content, you built an audience, people see your videos, they engage, and later down the line, they buy. All you have to do is maintain the relationship with them. Answer their questions, talk to them in the DMs, they follow you, you build a genuine relationship. And now you have a warm audience of people coming to you, people who already know you, like you, and trust you instead of you chasing after strangers. So now you've got two paths running at the same time. The first path is direct sales that go to your content. The second path is building an audience that brings you inbound buyers coming to you over time. Both feed into one another, both compound. Either way, you're moving forward. Now, the people that I've watched scale the fastest, they're not doing anything complicated. They're just simply building digital products with AI, they're listing them, and then they're posting content consistently. That's it. But they're doing it with a system behind them instead of just guessing. Now look, I just showed you the entire process. How to find a niche, how to build a digital product in minutes with AI, how to list it and sell it, and how to drive traffic without spending a single dollar on ads. You could quite literally do this right now today. But remember earlier when I mentioned that other people can promote your product and earn commissions? That works the other way too. You don't have to make your own product. You can actually find high converting digital products that already exist. Business owners that want to be generous and give you 50 to even 100% commissions on products that you never had to create yourself. And honestly, I think that's the absolute best place for a complete beginner to start. You skip the product creation step entirely. You find a great product, simple enough, you create content around it using AI to make the content for you, and you start earning. I made a full step-by-step masterclass showing exactly how to scale this business from zero to $10,000 to eventually $30,000 a month right here on YouTube. It's step-by-step. I'll leave it right here on how to find the best products, how to promote them, and how to make your first sales. So if you want to see that, I would highly recommend you check out this full masterclass training right here, and I'll walk you through the whole thing. I'll see you there on the other side.